Hey everyone, this is the update about the Frost series. It's a final video, or rather bonus video for the Frost series, and we've done a decal in the first part of the Frost series, but I think it was lacking in terms of having a depth, like a parallax, a complexity. It was just a very simple flat surface decal. However, this one I feel like it's got a lot more complexity. It looks pretty good. There might be some additions that you might consider adding to it, but I think it does the job when it comes to displaying the ice on the surface. So I think it's gonna go very well with the frost spells. So the first one has the clear outline of that snow. It blends nicely with the ice, and it's got the depth. This one is exactly the same, but I toned down the snow outline. And this one has got the radial coordinates of that snow. So I think that one would be a pretty good fit for the Frost Nova that we've done. And those two probably will go well with the ice spikes that we've done in the second part of the Frost series. Also, by doing this decal, it was a good opportunity to show you how to work with material attributes, how to keep your material clean as well. So I think the lesson is it's at least 1 hour long, and I go through very basic examples how to set up material attributes, and then we dive into making that ice material from scratch. So we've got different sections. That's the opacity, that's the snow layer, that's the ice layer, some bump offset, parallax, and UV. So as you can see, everything is structured and easy to read, and if you have to go back after some time into that material, I think it will be a lot easier to understand what's going on with everything that we have done in that lesson. So hopefully you can pick this up and learn about material attributes, how to structure your material. And that's really it for the Frost series. That was the final video. In the next series I'm starting will be about fire. As I mentioned in the previous video, I really like Path of Exile, fire, and their abilities. So I'm going to try to come up with some very complex spells. For the character, it will be around fire. And as we progress on 1mfx.com, we're going to be adding a lot more complexity going forward. I will try to share more info on in the newsletter, so you might just head to Gumroad and subscribe to the newsletter if you want to learn more about that upcoming fire. And finally, I got a plan to release a free tutorial, which will be something in the style of a Harry Potter teleport. I've got very basic stuff working so far. I obviously have to implement everything with the character, but I think it should be out in a month or two time. It depends how much time I will have to actually finish it off and add a bit more details. All right, so that's it in this update. Thank you so much, and I hope you're gonna enjoy that Frost series. I've put a lot of work into it, and so far it's probably the most enjoyable series to work on. All right, thank you so much.